Hello world! We are on a sailing boat on Island Vis and we plan to go to Split and take you on this adventure with us. Come along! Hi guys, we are now on Pakani Island, Palmijano. We find this safe port because the weather conditions from Vis to here weren't ideal. Now it's calmer. Hopefully we're not gonna get any rain.
It's color on this lake.
So this is Captain's...
Well, this is the famous Captain's Carbonara. In the beginning from northern Italy, but in Croatia it has a certain taste because of the special Dalmatian ham. Thin sauce. And number 5, that's a spaghetti. Parmesan cheese and wine.
Yes. Let's taste it. In Hvar, beautiful city of Hvar right behind me. We're gonna stay over tonight, docked in port, and in the morning we're leaving for Split. We had an amazing time. Hope you liked our video and stayed with us all the way till the end. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you can see more of our travels and adventures, cool business meetings like this one was. So till then, bye bye.